Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Flex Tail Light, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Open the liftgate and remove the interior trim panel to expose the tail lamp bolts. Keep your tools nearby, use a socket to remove fasteners, and gently pull the assembly straight back to access the bulb or connector. With the interior trim removed, locate and remove the 10 mm bolts holding the tail lamp. Work slowly to avoid scratching paint or snapping plastic clips. Once bolts are out, grip the lamp assembly and pull straight back while supporting it to free the wiring harness. Disconnect the bulb socket by pressing the tab and twisting or pulling as needed, then inspect the bulb or connector for corrosion before installing replacements. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it makes a nice garage companion for planning repairs and budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a wrench and your new bulb. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new bulb or repair the connector, making sure contacts are clean and snug. Reseat the tail lamp assembly fully into its housing and reinstall the mounting bolts hand-tight, then torque evenly. Reattach interior trim and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, test brake, turn, and reverse lights to confirm proper operation and function. Address any issues promptly to ensure safe night driving and legal compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.